What's up, y'all? I'm excited to introduce our new spouse rate. We want the family involved because together we're better, and a house divided just sucks. Now, if you get your family on board, this whole thing is going to be a lot easier. Now, for years, I tried doing this on my own. I went through several different partners and we were on different pages, and it was challenging. You know, meals were different. We were cooking our own things. Eating out was a challenge, and even though I tried to share this gift of what we know to be the truth, for whatever reason, a lot of times these people were resistant. And now I understand and know the power of the support of someone that you're living with and sharing expenses with. The problem is that a lot of times they're going to have to pay the exact same rate that you're paying for access to very similar information. And a lot of times we have people that are doubling up on accounts, and so the spouse doesn't have their own personality or their own profile. So let me share how this helps. You get in here and you get excited. You know, you have access to a lot of great stuff. You have access to all of our seminars and talks, whether you want to come in person or virtual. You have access to all our online stuff, all the resources that are in there. And you want to get your family involved, but you're not sure how. Sometimes this is a tense process, trying to convince them to do something else. But for $9.99 a month versus paying a full membership fee, you can get your spouse in there and they can have their own personality, their own profile. They can go through things at their own pace. They can choose which things they want to participate in and learn from. And that way you're communicating a lot of this health information, but you're not imposing it on them. They're doing it for themselves. Now, you might be asking, like, how do we know this is the right thing for them versus some other program? Well, we just know this is the truth. This is the way to do things, right? So why not give them the best information so, again, the whole house is on the same page? And you might be thinking to yourself, well, hey, wait a second, I want some privacy. I want to be in there on my own. Well, this is actually a chance for you to showcase what it is that you're doing without doing it directly to them, because they'll get to see your posts, they'll get to see your activity, they'll get to see your transformation. And you might be thinking, like, what if they don't want to? Well, I wouldn't make the decision up for them. I would give them the information and give them the opportunity, because you never know. This may be something that excites them very much. So again, for $9.99 a month, they can have their own profile, their own personality. They can learn at their own pace. They can participate in the things that are important to them and that resonate with them. All right, so again, for $9.99, your spouse or significant other can have their own profile, their own personality. They can go through the courses and content that they resonate with at their own pace and learn in their own way. The requirement that we have to qualify for this is that they're actually a spouse sharing expenses with you, or a significant other that's been with you in a common law situation for a significant period of time. To take advantage of this, all you have to do is shoot me a message or an email. I will have someone send out a private secret link. That link will include a 7-day free trial. The only thing that we ask is that if one of the two of you back out of SuperHumans United, the person that's remaining is paying the original full rate that they did in the first place, okay? Now, if all this did was get your spouse or significant other on the same page with you with this stuff, wouldn't it be worth $10 a month? Remember, what we're trying to do here is empower ourselves and empower others, and a great place to start is the people that we care about and the people that we live with. All right? We'll see y'all in there soon.